Hello everyone, welcome back to Piswangkai. This is about a new vlog. So right now I'm here in my village. The location and the scenery may not be too clear, but I love the weather of my village. Not too hot, not too cool. It is in medium. So try to watch the whole video so that you'll enjoy. Yeah, this is about the new air. Okay, I'm going to show you the photo booth. It is made by me, okay? Not by this. The credit must goes to me. ये मेरा आइडिया से किया है. इसको बोलता है photo booth, not the photo ghost. Pating kumpri tabiga prelulung lain na kasi abalulung lain na talo. Hello everyone, a very happy new year to each and everyone. So it's exact 12, so I would like to wish you a very happy new year to all the viewers of my channel. So once again, a very happy new year and wish you to have a blessed year ahead.
Tingkum karsi bengol ulkum ja 2022 kuma pe ja kahingam ba tingkum pe changlo.
Happy New Year. Go about Vivi, go. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Very happy New Year to all the viewers of my channel. Yes. Good morning. Happy New Year. So now, right now, अभी मैं मॉर्निंग सर्विस के लिए रेडी कर चुका है. अभी चर्च के लिए निकल रहा है. तो देखिए, this is my village. मैं this 2022 give you joy, love, peace, lovely year ahead. ये कौन है यार अभी चर्च तो टाइम तो बेल तो मार दिया लेकिन अभी भी वो बिजी हो रही है. क्या है तुझे क्या कमी है यार? बिंगलार का टाइम फॉलो करने की कोशिश करो भाई. Yo man, blessed life must be like this. Carrying a school bag, going to jungle. काम करने पड़ते. टान. समसे कसम से हम लाएंगे दुल्हन हमें जाएंगे. बस्ती जाएगा तो इसे काम तो करना पड़ता है यार. विलेज लाइफ फॉलो नहीं करेगा तो मैं तो दुनिया से चला जाऊंगे. So today, for the first time, I'm going to show my house. I'm going to unbox. Yes, this is the one. It's a really big house. It's 30 by 30, and it's really difficult for us to complete very soon. So it's under constructing. ये खत्म किया नहीं है, अभी भी काम चालू करते हैं. ये इसको खत्म करने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लग गया. This is my room, not complete yet. It's under constructing.